JEE MAIN 2026, Question 45. Surface energy, liquid drop breaking into smaller droplets. Change in surface energy when a liquid drop breaks apart. Let us visualize the breakup. A large liquid drop of diameter 2 mm, that is radius 1 mm, breaks into 512 smaller droplets. By volume conservation, since 512 equals 8 cubed, the radius of each small droplet is r divided by 8, which is 0.125 mm. The total surface area increases, increasing the surface energy. The question states, a liquid drop of diameter 2 mm breaks into 512 droplets. The change in surface energy is alpha times 10 to the power minus 6 joules. Find the value of alpha. Surface tension of liquid is 0.08 newtons per meter. Options 1, 10, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 11. Key concept, surface energy equals surface tension times surface area. When a large drop breaks into n small droplets, volume is conserved. Using volume conservation, r cubed equals n times r cubed, so r equals r divided by n to the power 1/3. The change in surface energy equals T times the change in total surface area. Step 1. Find the radius of small droplets. R equals 10 to the minus 3 meters. N equals 512 equals 8 cubed. So R equals R over 8 equals 1.25 times 10 to the minus 4 meters. Step 2. Calculate the initial and final surface areas. Initial surface area AI equals 4 pi R squared equals 4 pi times 10 to the minus 6 square meters. Final surface area AF equals 512 times 4 pi R squared. That is 512 times 4 pi times 1.56 to 5 times 10 to the minus 8, which equals 32 pi times 10 to the minus 6 square meters. Step 3. Calculate the change in surface energy. Delta E equals T times AF minus AI. That is 0.08 times 32 pi minus 4 pi times 10 to the minus 6. This equals 0.08 times 28 pi times 10 to the minus 6. Which equals to 0.24 pi times 10 to the minus 6, approximately 7.04 times 10 to the minus 6 joules. Therefore, alpha equals approximately 7. The correct answer is option 2, alpha equals 7, so the change in surface energy is 7 times 10 to the minus 6 joules. G-tip, for liquid drop problems, always use volume conservation first to find the small drop radius. If n equals 512, recognize it as 8 cubed, so R equals R over 8. The change in surface energy formula is T times 4 pi times nr squared minus r squared. Surface tension times increased area gives the energy needed to break the drop. This energy comes from an external source. Like and subscribe for JEE Main solutions at MAGPIEHUB. Keep practicing.